When it comes to manifesting material things, when it comes to manifesting money, it is up to how we as individuals perceive that manifestation, not the universe, because the universe does not define things as good or bad. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Davis, also known as Brown and Bendy, and here on this channel we practice flexibility of the mind, body, and spirit. So in the law of attraction community, we always talk about raising your vibration. And this past week I had a mind-blowing epiphany. So we talk about raising your vibration in order to manifest, but Esther Hicks, who is the person who channels Abraham Hicks, describes in Ask and It Is Given that when we are trying to manifest something, we're more so trying to tune our vibration like we're using a radio. We're not trying to raise our vibration in order to manifest that thing. We're trying to tune our vibration into how it would feel to be on the same frequency as the thing that we want to manifest. So there are two different ways to look at vibration, whether you're raising it, like whether your vibration's rising or lowering, or whether you're tuning it to a manifestation that you would like to obtain. So the epiphany that I had was the importance of raising your vibration and or having a low vibration. The importance of that is that that's in correlation to our relationship with this universe, our relationship with source. The closer we are to source, the higher our vibration is. The further away we are from source, the lower our vibration is. The more that we are connected to love, the more that we practice patience, the more that we practice feeling peaceful and calm, especially in situations that try to bring the worst out of us, that's when we're keeping our vibes high. But when we give into darker emotions, when we give into anger, frustration, fear, lack, when we give into all of those things, that's more so acting like source doesn't exist at all, and that's keeping us further away from source, and that keeps our vibration low. So there's definitely importance in understanding raising and lowering your vibration. I realized this when I was thinking of ways to talk about manifesting wealth and abundance. I realized that I have created this subconscious belief that in order to manifest the abundance that I want, I have to be this perfect, enlightened person all of the time. I have to keep my vibes all the way up. I have to make sure that my vibe never plummets, my vibe never drops, because if it does, I will not manifest money. I created that subconscious belief, and that's also a really good example of how, again, we create resistance with our own thought. So it's not that I have to raise my vibration in order to manifest a bunch of money. It's that I have to define what a bunch of money means to me, what frequency a bunch of money is on, and tune my vibration to matching that. It sounds so simple, but I was forgetting these fundamental things. When it comes to manifesting material things, manifesting wealth, and it gets so confusing when you talk about wealth and abundance, because you can be wealthy and you can be abundant and not have $1 million in your bank account. So let's just talk, I'll just say money. When it comes to manifesting material things, when it comes to manifesting money, it is up to how we as individuals perceive that manifestation, not the universe, because the universe does not define things as good or bad. So as far as raising or lowering your vibration, that's kind of irrelevant. It more so has to do with how you feel about the specific manifestation. The universe does not think in terms of good and bad. The universe only thinks vibrationally. The universe only knows vibration. We assign what is good and what is bad to specific We assign good meanings and bad meanings to everything in our lives. You can have an individual who is learning how to manifest money. You can have two individuals who are learning how to manifest money. One person is not from a wealthy family. The other person is from a wealthy family. To the person who is not from a wealthy family has one idea of money. The person who is from a wealthy family has another idea of money. So if the first person is learning how to manifest and they say, I want to manifest a good amount of money, that person may manifest $300 and be over the moon. That person may say, this is it, this is the height of wealth, because maybe at a random time they want a scratch off ticket or someone gave them $300 at in their lives, and like that was the biggest chunk of money they've ever got. So subconsciously, that's where their vibration is. The biggest chunk of money that they can imagine getting and that they would be happy to get is $300. But then you go to the person who has been surrounded by wealth all of their lives, but now they're learning how to consciously manifest. A good amount of money to that person could be $300,000. They can be doing the same exact thing. They can be at the same place vibrationally, but because their perceptions of money are different, what they're attracting into their experience is different. Manifesting a material thing is more about how we subconsciously feel about that material thing. Going back to the idea of this person who has not been around a lot of money but is learning how to manifest money. I'll use myself as an example. I've not been around a lot of money my entire life, but I am learning how to manifest money, and I'm manifesting more and more and more as time goes on. I'm learning how to manifest more. In my process, for me individually, every time I manifest a chunk of money, I'm happy because I know it's possible. So then the next time I know it's possible to manifest a little bit more, and the next time I know it's possible to manifest a little bit more. Everyone's not going to go through that process with manifesting money, again, because everyone's different. But I'm just showing you guys how it kind of takes an expansion in perception in order to manifest the bigger things. The way I've been expanding my perception is through visualizing and journaling. And what I will tell you, what I remember the most is that when I first started visualizing, that I want to make a big chunk of money, I felt so much resistance, and I still do, and I'm still working through it. But when I journal and say, I'm so grateful that I received XYZ, if my brain isn't at a place yet where it believes I can manifest that, I'll feel that resistance, and I'll listen to the thoughts that come in. So my journey is more so about dismissing those thoughts and working through those thoughts, as opposed to just learning how to raise my vibration and know all of my triggers and know all of my flaws, and to just make sure I'm being the perfect person. Being the best you is so important. Be the best you, because it's just good for you. Okay, but learning how to manifest material things is more so about learning how to match the vibrational frequency of that material thing that you are trying to manifest. And these are two different lanes. They're two different lanes, and that's why you can have the most sweet, nice person in the world who has no money, and the meanest, angriest person in the world who has tons. They've learned how to match the vibrational frequency of specific material things, but that has nothing to do with their personal overall vibrational frequency. I swear, this is so confusing. I really hope this video ends up making sense. I hope it makes it past editing. I really do. So if you're trying to manifest something that is not currently within your belief system, work on expanding your mind so that it becomes believable. So whatever you need to do to make that happen, whether it's acting as if, putting yourself in the shoes of the person who has what you want, and then listening to all the resistance that comes in, whether it's visualizing, journaling, whatever helps you bring up resistance so you can listen to it and learn how to clean it up, start doing that. So you can start to really become a closer vibrational match to the things that you want. Mix that with already feeling gratitude for that thing, even though you may feel like you don't have it yet. Just feel gratitude for it anyway, and you will be on your way to manifesting literally whatever you want. This world is wild. This universe is wild. Like I said before, I've been on my own money manifestation journey, and it's like, it's almost instantaneous. It's really, really great. But now I feel like I'm in a place where I'm having to change my belief of what is a lot of money. And that's just where I am on my journey. So yes, I love you guys so much. I hope that you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that other people know it's valuable and that other people know that they should click on it. Also, if you'd like me to expand on anything that I've talked about, just let me know and I will be happy to down in the comments. And last but not least, please make sure that you are subscribed so you can be around for my next video. I adore you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.